Welcome students. In this video, I am going to discuss some more questions from exercise 6.3. Now the question number 8 is solve x plus y less than or equal to 9 and y is strictly greater than x, and the third inequality is x is greater than or equal to 0. Now just look here. First we'll write plot x plus y equal to 9. If you have x0, y will be 9, y0, x9. Now in this question, I have taken the scale of 2 units. Now just this is 8, this is 9. So this point will be 9. So this is also 9, this is 0, 9 and this point is 9, 0. First you join this line, right? This is a dark line because here you have less than or equal to. Then after plotting, write its equation and then check the shaded region. Take origin as the testing point. Now 0 less than or equal to 9. True? If it is true, that means region of this inequality will be towards the origin. After plotting, then the second line is y is equal to x. You take x0, y will be 0. If you take x1, y will be 1. I have taken x2, so y will be 2. So this is 0, 0 and this point is 2, 2. Join dotted line because here you have the strict inequality, right? After plotting the line, write its equation y is equal to x. Now this line is passing through the origin. So we take a testing point either in the downward direction or in the upward direction. If you take the downward direction of this line, now this positive x-axis is below the line. So I have taken 1, 0. You can take 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, right? Suppose if you take 1, 0, that means x1, y0, y0. So here 0 greater than 1, false. That means points in the downward directions are not satisfying the condition. So region will be in the upward direction. Now come to third inequality. Here x is greater than or equal to 0. Now this is your coordinate system, right? This is origin. Now in these two coordinates, x is positive, that means you are going to have your common region up to here, right? Now this region, this inequality is here and this is here. That means you will stop up to here. So this is going to be your common region because you have x is greater than or equal to 0. And in this side, x is always negative in second and third coordinate. That means we will shade this region. Next question. Question number 10. Solve the following inequalities graphically. You have 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60. X plus 3y less than or equal to 30. Then x and y both are greater than or equal to 0. Now if you have x and y both are greater than or equal to 0, means in n your common region will be only in the first coordinate. You just plot this line 3x plus 4y equal to 60. x0, y15, y0, x20. In this question, I have taken the scale of 5 units. This is x, here x negative, y and y negative. Then this is origin, right? x0, y15. This is 15, y0, x20, right? Join these 2 points and write its equation. Now take 0, 0 as the testing point. 0 less than or equal to 60. True? If it is true, that means its region will be towards the origin. This is your first line and its region will be towards the origin. Then second line, plot x plus 3y equal to 30. x0, y10, y0, x30. Right? This is y10 and here you have x is 30. Join these 2 points. Right? You write its equation, then find the shaded region. Again take origin as testing point. You have 0 here less than 30, less than or equal to 30. True? If it is true, that means its region will also towards the origin. Now region of both inequality is towards the origin. But you have to find the common region only in the first quadrant. That means this region in the first quadrant. This is going to be your shaded region. Next question, question number 11. Solve the inequality graphically. You have here three inequality. First, plot these three lines. The first line is 2x plus y equal to 4. x0, y4, y0, x2. Right? This is x0, y4. Right? And here x2, y0. Join this line and write its equation. Now find its shaded region. If you take origin here, this is 0 greater than or equal to 4. False. If it is false, that means region of this line will be away from the origin. Then come to second line. This is x plus y equal to 3. The points are simple. x0, y3. Look here. y0, x3. So join these points and you have the line x plus y equal to 3. Also find its shaded region. If you put origin 0 less than or equal to 3. True? If it is true, the region will be towards the origin. Now the third line, 2x minus 3y equal to 6. x0, y minus 2, y0, x3. x0, y, this is minus 2 and here x is 3. Join this line. Again find its testing point. You take origin. 0 less than or equal to 6. That means now this is true. If it is true, its region will be towards the origin. Done? That means now this triangle. Here you can find the region in any quadrant because it is not given. This is x and y greater than or equal to 0. So this triangle is going to be your common shaded region. Next question. Question number 15. Solve the following inequalities graphically. X plus 2y less than or equal to 10. X plus y greater than or equal to 1. X minus y less than or equal to 1. Here again, x and y both are greater than or equal to 0. Means your answer will be only in the first quadrant. Just plot the line. X plus 2y equal to 10. x0, y will be 5 here. y0, x is 10. Join these two lines. Now between 4 and 6 we are going to have 5. Right? After plotting, write its equation. Now find its shaded region. Take 0, 0 as testing point. 0 less than or equal to 10. True? If it is true, its region will be towards the origin. This is your first line and its region is towards the origin. Then come to second line. You have x plus y equal to 1. x0, y1, y0, x1. So these points are 1, 1. Join them. Write the equation. Take origin as testing point. 0 greater than or equal to 1. False. If it is false, so its region will be away from the origin. Now the third line, x minus y equal to 0. x0, y0, x2, y2. This is 0, 0 and this point is 2, 2. Join the line, write the equation. Since this line is passing through the origin, so I have taken 1, 0 as the testing point in the downward direction. Put here x1, y0. So 1 is less than or equal to 0. This is false. Now if it is false, so region will be in the upward direction because the points in the downward directions are not satisfying the condition. Done? After this, find the shaded region only in the first quadrant.